What?
Holy crap! And welcome back to the channel. M&A Anime coming at you with another Chainsaw Man episode 3. In the last episode, we had Denji.
Yeah.
Shadow with Hawakawa.
Yeah.
We found out his dream.
Yeah. We were introduced to Power.
Power! She totally destroyed the sea cucumber devil.
Yeah, absolutely.
And then some questions arose with Makima. Makima. Because we're trying to figure out whether or not she's a devil
crazy
or if she's
because her
a
eyes
fiend.
Yeah.
A fiend? Yeah,
fiend
a fiend.
Devil. Yeah.
Great episode. Really excited. Excited to see what happens this episode. If you like the content, make sure you subscribe, you like, you comment. We really do appreciate. We want to know what you like, so let us know down below what you like to see. And let's get into this episode.
He's clean.
Yeah.
This must have taken like years to make episodes.
Like, look how
Look
clean
at that
looks.
Even like the skin and the fingers, bro. Like, that's crazy.
Yeah, I told Denji that he needs to keep an eye on her last episode. A blood devil?
Oh.
Blood manipulation?
That sounds strong. Dang, they're still going at it. See?
Yeah, it looks good.
What?
Yo, she has to be powerful, though.
Yeah.
Look at those eyes.
I swear, she has to be something.
It's the same color. Yeah. Call of the Night?
Stop it.
Ko? Yeah. Where's Nazuna? Don't get distracted.
This guy. He can't get distracted by rest anymore. He's weird.
It's the cat. She don't eat it. Okay. Oh, okay.
Ah!
But Pochta didn't.
Yeah. I don't know.
Well, maybe it did, and it just had a relationship with him.
Oh, wait. Oh, she had a pet.
Yeah. Oh. Get it back from the devil. I'll do anything, even. Okay. Oh.
This guy won't silence, bro.
She keeps saying from the devil. You can
oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
How dare it kidnap your cat?
Oh. Oh, okay. Or is it actually a devil? Oh my gosh.
He's got a whole different attitude now. He's such an idiot.
Oh my gosh. So it was an actual devil that stole the cat.
I guess
okay,
so, yeah.
Okay. That makes sense. Okay. Access approved. Because she's crazy. Of course she can't go out alone. She crazy.
Look at them. Look at her. Horns and all. Sharp teeth and all.
I wonder if she's manipulating him. Oh, okay. Okay. Eyes up, Denji. Eyes up.
So she said that each time it sees her, it takes Meowie away. So it might actually be Makima. Or yeah.
Oh, okay, he told her about Pochta. He's gonna show her. Do it.
Oh my god, bro. Calm down. He's a horn dog, bro.
But this is probably the most he's ever been around females ever. Yeah. Outside of that, he's just been doing the mob bosses
Yeah.
killing and dirty work.
Doing or biddings.
Yeah.
大きくなっている。悪魔を軍事利用しているという噂も聞
And
く。
use devils for military
願
purposes.
わくば日本の君の仕事は犬を育て。作る
Even they refer to them
Yeah,
as dogs,
animals.
man. I don't think she liked that though.
Yeah.
Her face looked kind of, yeah.
全ての悪魔は名前を持って生まれてくる。その名前が
The
恐れられてい
scary
る
one is.
悪魔
Oh,
自身の力も増すという
I mean, Pochita wasn't scary at all.
怖いイメージは全くないから強い
I doubt there's a car
I don't
devil.
デ
know.
ンジ君は
Oh, I guess that's true because he turns into a chainsaw. Yeah, I guess.
面白いと思う。
悪魔と仲良くなれると
Oh yeah, he really doesn't like that. He wants to befriend
Yeah.
the devils, and that he doesn't really have a purpose, a goal
Yeah.
outside of boobs.
Yeah. How old is Denji?
I don't know. I would say,
He looked pretty old.
yeah,
Like 18.
that's what I was thinking. Like 18, 19, late teens, maybe really early 20s, 20.
Yeah.
はあ
Why is he carrying him?
It's so tiny.
行くか
It's average.
He's had a tiny axe.
笑えんな
Oh, she
Yeah.
doesn't know that
She can't
he's
sense it or
yeah,
something? Because Makima has really good smellers.
Yeah.
Whatever.
yeah, sense of smell. Yeah.
てめえが姿を見せたら猫を人質にされんだろ
And she's gonna be gone
つ
watch.
いてきちゃダメでしょ
Oh, wait, no.
おお
で
Is she gonna try and kill him?
じゃ
There's about to be a
scared.
fight. Fiend versus devil.
What'd I tell you? Oh!
Yup.
Yeah.
Yup.
バカじゃが勘は良かったな
Fight, 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 fight.
Come on, wake up. What the heck?
Dang. Dang.
Oh! Her name's the Blood Devil? So she has to be pretty strong.
望み通り人間を連れてきたぞ
Oh, dang.
And it can talk?
久しぶりの食事。
The vigor in his blood? What?
Oh my
That
god.
Dude is massive.
この腕の傷を見ろ人間。いやさせて
Shall be cured by him.
Oh,
Ugh.
dang. Dang.
Dang, look how...
But that's because he's not
Yeah.
full devil. I mean, full human.
Yeah. Oh, they... Oh, shoot.
It worked, though.
Yeah.
口の中が気持ち悪い。他の人間で口直しを
Where's
し
the
て
bat? Where's the wing, bro? It's a big boy right there.
A big boy.
信用できたもんじゃなやはり人間は愚かじゃ
匂いだな。
Oh my
Dude,
god.
They made these guys look scary.
コウモリの悪魔
It's
Oh.
alive. Please don't kill it. I'll cry.
Oh.
まだだったな。
ニャーコ
Oh
ニ
shoot.
ャーコうぬの名はニャーコじゃひょろいなりじゃのうもう少し
Jeez.
食ってやるか
You know most cats are lactose intolerant. That's why they throw up all the time.
早く大きくなれニャーコを殺すのが楽しみ
Why'd she have to kill the cow?
Aww. I love when cats do that. They just need you right on there.
目が
Oh, okay. So she killed everything.
Yeah, she's an animal.
Oh.
血の悪魔よ。猫を
I wonder how long he had the cat.
Yeah.
人間を連れてこい。
ポチタをもう撫でれんと言っとったなうぬの気持ち ちが分かったぞ。ひどい気分じゃな。
What the heck?
まずいちばかりだ。
A maiden for an appetizer,
A fat man for main dish.
and then for dessert.
Pregnant woman.
Oh wow, he actually
Oh, he's
got there in
biting him.
time.
Oh.
He beat the boobs. He got it.
Yeah.
ポチタがいなくなった時があった。朝起きたらポチタはいなくて食われちまった。
By another devil.
家に
Oh.
ポチタが泣きながら
I
俺を
miss
待
you,
っていた。
Poach-chan.
あいつはニャーコを悪魔に奪われて。どうなんだろう。
Oh my gosh.
Ouchie, wow. Oh, he's about to go crazy.
Oh. No.
Oh,
cut
come
it there.
on, bro. Oh, are they in the city? Is they gonna like crash through the building?
Through the building.
Is Baddie secured? Baddie secured. Has 2 chains on? Oh, yes, chainsaws on his
And
hands,
his yeah. Your mom.
Yeah, and don't.
Some boobs.
He's such an idiot.
Yo, it's motivating him.
Yeah,
though.
he's gained like 20% more power. Oh my gosh, he's going crazy. It's pretty fast. He's fast and strong. Look at that.
Ooh.
Cut his ankles. He's gonna miss. Brick. Dodge and weave. Come on. Get you some.
Dang, if he got hit by that.
What? They're that strong?
Holy crap.
Dodge and weave. Come on. Come on. You got this.
Oh no. Oh no.
Run, young bull. And he got. Oh, he barely dodged. Weave. Oh my god.
With this transformation.
Oh,
Oh no.
shoot.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh.
Oh. He's a guy. Oh, he doesn't care. If it's a girl, then he'll save him. But if it's a dude, that's he's off in them right there. What? Holy crap!
That was so cool.
I did not expect that in like 1,000 years.
I mean, that. Oh no. That's right.
Come on, get the chainsaws back in your hand. Oh, he just healed him. Oh my gosh. Don't end, don't end, don't end. Come on, get the fight scene started, my boy. He's an idiot.
Boom.
Whack.
Oh, with one.
Gosh. Dodge and weave.
Slice.
Oh,
Slice.
with the hard counter, Levi style.
Must have been watching Attack on Titan.
This animation is so good.
Yes.
Oh.
Right to the eye.
Oh. He's taking his priorities.
Through the gut.
Ooh.
Oh. And then Power's gonna be there, saved with the
Yeah.
saved kitten.
That's so cool.
Oh. That was so good.
That was a good episode.
That was so good. Okay, let's hear this ending.
Because it's different every time, right?
Yeah. Jeez. This is going hard. Oh. Ah.
I'm confused. Oh, is it predicted or depicted as an angel?
Is that
He's
Makima?
this simp, yeah.
Aww.
Hey, yeah. Get it started. Get the beat up. And we're back. Animation was so good as
was
usual.
incredible.
The movement of the animation, the fighting, the choreograph.
But I think in this episode in particular, you could really appreciate the animation, especially because the big
The
fight
close
scene.
ups
Yeah, the
and
fight
the
scenes
fight
and how
scene.
clean and crisp and smooth it is.
Oh my
Man,
God.
so good.
But now we gotta dive into how the characters are positioned. Chainsaw Man was way stronger now. Like than
Denji's a beast.
More than we thought he was gonna
more
be.
than we thought.
Except this time he's like conscious. He's able to. He knows.
He's
what
aware.
doing,
Yeah, he's aware of that.
Power. We found out that she actually cares about something. We found a little bit more about her past.
But then she kind of pulled a douchey move.
Yeah, she's a big booty head.
And then we're seeing
Yeah.
the higher ups working or telling essentially Makima what to do.
Yeah.
Right? Makima?
Yeah.
Is that how you say
And
it?
also, we found more information about the devils. Apparently, the scarier the name, the more powerful they most likely are.
Amazing episode.
Yeah.
Super, super fun to watch. Really entertaining. We hope you enjoyed it too.
Please like, subscribe, comment.
We appreciate all the support.
Go sub to M&A Inc., the Pokemon channel. We're trying to get 150 next month.
Essentially, yeah. But essentially, we're just trying to grow. We really do want to interact with you. And right now, we still haven't had any comments. So we would love to interact. Leave a comment below. Let us know what you think of the anime, of the content. It'd be really nice to respond to all of you. And for those of you that do comment, because I think there was one on To Your Eternity, we really do appreciate it. We love talking to you. So just keep that in mind.
Well, I hope you enjoyed.
Yeah, hope you enjoyed. And we'll catch you in the next episode. Peace.